Hello, it's Jill from Glimmerbug, and I have a quick Art Snacks unboxing. It came Saturday, and I didn't open it until this morning. This morning's Monday. So, yum yum. Who's gonna get this one? Extra sour crybaby. So I just haven't had a chance to open it because I had to drive all the way out to Rochester in New York and back yesterday to go pick up my kids who are at my mother-in-law's farm for the week. So it was a little bit crazy. So I put it off until Monday morning while everybody's still asleep. Oh, what do we have here? We have a fabulous sticker. We have Hansa Yellow, Daniel Smith. Hello! Oh my God, my favorite. Daniel Smith, Hansa Yellow, and Daniel Smith, Quinacridone Rose. Oh my holy God, I'm so excited. This is worth it. Just alone, because this is my favorite watercolors. They're kind of expensive, but I have a couple tubes that I've gotten for gifts and that kind of thing. So I have a little container that has my super special watercolors in them, and these are going to go right in there. Aren't they fabulous? Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, and another brush. Isn't that awesome? Because you never can have too many brushes. Aqua Elite number 8. That's a nice one. So wait a minute. Let's look at our cheat sheet for a second. So where the hell is it? So the brush. My God, guess how much this brush is? Ready? $21. Oh, actually 22 if you round up. Oh my God. Make sure you take care of that one pretty good. What's this one? This is a pigment pen from Sakura. I don't know how to say it, to tell you the truth. $3. Let's see how big it is. Oh, it's a nice bullet nib. Well, that's cool. Never can have enough black pens. Oh, and a sketch and wash pencil, which is awesome because when you let's see if I can show you. I'll just grab this box. So you sketch with it. Let me see, where's my water brush? And then, look at that. You can make awesome shading and awesome shadows and that kind of thing, which I love using these. I use these on my watercolors all the time. The sketch and wash brush. So this is General's Sketch and Wash, which they're cheap. They're only at $1.50, but I actually have a box of these in my supply closet, and I love using them. And they're like a lead, normal lead color. They're not like a jet black color, but they're wonderful for making shadows like I just showed you. So this is the Art Snacks for the month of July. So a pretty good box, I would say. Let's see what this one looks like. I'll definitely use everything in here. Oh, that's a nice nib, and it's a hard nib, which is nice. So yeah, I will definitely use everything that's in here. And we'll see who ends up. I think I'll do whoever gets up first this morning, because we got home late last night at, I don't know, like around 10, and they were ready to get in their beds. They just are so happy to be home and among their stuff and their beds and all that stuff. So that's why I'm talking quietly, so don't wake anybody up. So yeah, we'll see who gets up first, and whoever gets up first can have that. So that's the art box for this Art Snacks box. I think I must be tired from yesterday, for the month of July. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and that kind of stuff. And I will be back with more videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.